Hello, everyone. Today I'm bringing you the ultimate tracking solution, the GPT12-L ultra-long standby tracker. Worried about car theft, losing cargo during logistics, or inadequate property asset security monitoring? GPT12-L is your best choice. With a powerful battery lasting up to 5 years in standby, it stays responsive even in sleep mode, quickly waking up by SMS for instant tracking. Supporting GPS, Beidou, and GLONASS systems, it also features a built-in motion sensor that instantly wake up when moving, keeping risks firmly under control. It is smart and thin to easily install. You can put it on vehicle or asset or luggage tracking. Also, the device has built-in light sensor for anti-remove. GPT12L ensures safety that you can clearly see and trust. Your peace of mind, our guarantee. Our company brings over 20 years of development expertise with a dedicated team of over 20 expert-level software and hardware engineers. We offer a free IoT platform for testing or official use and provide personalized software and hardware customization to fully meet the unique requirements of every industry. Contact us now. Let GPT-12L protect your assets and secure your peace of mind. We're excited to provide a tailored solution just for you.